Hi, my name is Blair Quiring. Getting data in a usable format from various applications can be challenging. Data scattered across different sources, lack of integration, and static reports limit flexibility for detailed analysis, hindering operations and production professionals like yourself from being effective. As a result, reporting is often a manual effort, which increases the likelihood of errors and forces reliance on outdated or incomplete data, leading to flawed analysis and misguided decisions. EAG Foundations is a BI product solution that provides standard plug-and-play PowerBI report packs that consist of reports you need on a daily basis. With EAG Foundations, you can instantly access, analyze, and interpret your data in an easy-to-use format and visual, eliminating the need to rely on manual processes and saving time otherwise spent on pulling data from multiple sources. Contact us to learn more.